I have often wondered how we can send the whole of mankind to space and the things we should consider. Embarking on a mission to send the entirety of mankind into space beyond Earth's gravitational pull is a venture that stretches the bounds of our current technological, economic, and environmental capabilities. The task is monumental, requiring advancements in various fields: the logistics, knowledge, costs, fuel and resource requirements, environmental impacts, and the overall work needed to make this a reality. Don't hesitate to subscribe for more educational videos. The logistics. Firstly, the logistics of transporting over 7 billion people into space is unprecedented. This would necessitate a fleet of spacecraft, each capable of sustaining human life for the journey and beyond. The design and manufacturing of these spacecraft would need to be on an industrial scale far beyond anything we've achieved. For perspective, consider the International Space Station, ISS, which required over 40 assembly flights by 3 types of launch vehicles. Now, imagine the scale needed to accommodate billions. Incredible knowledge. The knowledge required to sustain human life indefinitely in space involves advances in life support systems, space agriculture, and closed-loop ecosystems. We would need to understand how to create self-sustaining habitats that can recycle water and air while growing food in microgravity or on other planets. This knowledge extends beyond our current capabilities and requires significant research and experimentation. Cost and money. The financial cost would be astronomical. NASA's budget for a year is around $22 billion, primarily for research, development, and launching missions for a few astronauts. Scaling this to billions of people would require not just a significant portion of the global GDP, but an unprecedented level of international cooperation and financial commitment. Fuel and resources. The amount of fuel and resources required to escape Earth's gravitational pull is immense. The energy required to launch a single person into low Earth orbit is about 9.4 mJ/kg, translating to vast quantities of fuel for billions of people. Moreover, sourcing the materials for spacecraft construction would strain our planet's resources, potentially leading to shortages or environmental degradation. Earth environmental impact. The environmental impact of such a large-scale project could be devastating. The carbon footprint of launching billions of people into space would be enormous, potentially exacerbating global warming and other environmental issues. Additionally, the extraction of necessary resources could lead to habitat destruction, pollution, and a depletion of Earth's natural reserves. Amount of work required. The amount of work required to achieve this feat would be on a scale humanity has never seen. It would involve the combined efforts of every nation, millions of scientists, engineers, and workers, and a sustained global focus for decades, if not centuries. Consider these analogies. To give you a sense of scale, let's compare this project to constructing the Great Pyramid of Giza, which took about 20 years and an estimated workforce of tens of thousands. Sending mankind to space would be like building millions of such pyramids simultaneously in terms of both the workforce and the timescale involved. Moreover, consider the energy required to launch one person into space. If we use the Saturn V rocket as an example, which can carry about 140,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit, the amount of fuel, liquid hydrogen, and liquid oxygen required for just one launch is approximately 770,000 gallons. Scaling this up to billions of people presents a logistical and resource challenge of staggering proportions. The idea of sending all of mankind into space is a fascinating thought experiment. However, in reality, it is a task beyond our current capabilities. It highlights the importance of advancing our technologies, understanding, and cooperation if we ever hope to undertake such a monumental endeavor. Don't hesitate to subscribe for more educational videos.